Alright, now that we are able to rewrite a mixed number as an improper fraction, we're ready to add and subtract these mixed numbers. Again, a mixed number is a number with a whole number and a fractional part, like 3 and 1/2 or 2 and 2/3. These are mixed numbers. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator, top number, is larger than the denominator. So 7/2, these are equivalent, or 8/3. These are both improper fractions. So now we can begin adding and subtracting mixed numbers. First one we are going to try today is, let's do 1 and 4/9 plus 2 and 2/9. Again, the first thing we want to do is rewrite both of these mixed numbers as improper fractions. So 1 and 4/9, I'm going to do 9 times 1, 9, plus 4 is 13. So this is going to be rewritten as 13/9. Now it's an improper fraction. Same thing over here, 9 times the whole number is 18, plus 2 is 20, so this becomes 20/9. We've rewritten them as improper fractions, and they happen to be like fractions. The denominators are the same. So this becomes 13 plus 20 over 9. 13 plus 20 is 33. This is 33/9. Now we're not going to leave our answer as an improper fraction. We want to write it as a mixed number and in simplest form. So although this is correct, I need to find out how many holes I can pull out of this. How many times does 9 go into 33 all the way? So to rewrite this, we're going to do 33 divided by 9. Go ahead and put our decimal. 9 doesn't go into 3, but 9 goes into 33, and it goes in there 3 times. 9 times 3 is 27. We'll subtract 33 minus 27 is 6. And that's all that 9 will go into 33 all the way. You're going to have more after the decimal. So 33/9 is going to be 3, and then the remainder over the number. So 3 and 6/9. And 6/9 as a fraction can be simplified. These can both be divided by 3. And so now we get 3 and 2/3. So 1 and 4/9 plus 2 and 2/9. We rewrote them as improper fractions and added, and then we simplified by turning this back into a mixed number and simplifying the fractional part. Let's do one more example. Let's try, this is going to have a little bit larger numbers. 8 and 5/6 minus 2 and 1/3. Switch colors. Again, rewrite these as improper fractions. 8 times 6 is 48. And 48 plus 5 is 53. So this is going to become 53/6. So they're equal to each other. This one's just a mixed number. This one's an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this becomes 7/3. We've written them as improper fractions, but right now they're unlike fractions. They have different denominators. Our denominators are 6 and 3. we need to find the least common denominator. I'm going to write multiples of 6. I got 6, 12, 18. And multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9. You can see that our least common denominator is going to be 6. We're not going to do anything to this first one. It's going to stay 53 over 6. And then I'm going to rewrite this second fraction by multiplying both numbers by 2. It's the second number. And this is going to become 14 6. We can subtract 53 minus 14 over 6. 53 minus 14 is going to be 39. So now we have 39 6. This is correct, but we want to write it as a mixed number and in simplest form. Over here, I'm going to divide 39 divided by 6. I want to find out how many times 6 goes into 39. It doesn't go into 3, but it goes into 39 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract. We have a remainder of 3. So 39 6 can be rewritten as 6, this number, and the remainder of the denominator. So 6 and 3 6. So now we've rewritten it as a mixed number, and we just need to simplify 3 6. They're both divisible by 3, so it's going to be 6 and 1/2.